Hey guys, this is Wyatt here doing just a ghetto bike check on my new Hyper Metro. Yes, I know it is a Walmart bike. Do not hate. Well, I really don't care if you hate. I know it's a Walmart bike, but it's perfect for the tricks that I do. Not really even tricks, but just riding around in the neighborhood. So let's start out with the bike check. It's got metallic blue rims and sky blue hubs. It says Hyper Bike Company right there. It came with these screw-on pegs. It has 3-piece tubular cranks. I know they're 3-piece cranks on a Walmart bike. On a Walmart bike, you say? But yeah, I know 3-piece cranks are supposed to be better and everything. You know, they're stronger and blah 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 blah. But it's still a Walmart bike, so yeah, you're still probably gonna get the same thing. Yeah, they might hold up a little bit longer. You might be able to do 7-foot jumps with them, and they won't break and snap like a 1-piece cranks would. But you know what the hell? They've got a kickstand like most Walmart bikes. 360 handlebars where you can, 360 them. I can't remember what that is called right there. Headset, I think. Metallic blue headset. I really don't feel like moving to the other side, but it's got a small yeah, I can't think of what it's called right now, but yeah, it's small, so it has more torque and less speed. Yeah, I'm really tired right now. It's got a leather seat. Doubt it's even leather. It's probably like vinyl or some shit like that. Put together with staples. So, yeah, that's my Walmart bike check. Peace.